Before the noise, before the names, we all began somewhere soft, where identity wasn't fixed, where it didn't have to be defined. And some of us grew into what we were told we should be. Others never fit the mold, never wanted to. And still, we carry that all. The things we've shed, the things we held close. It shows up when we do. Not loud, just sure. That quiet confidence in what we choose to keep, in what stays, in what we grow into, in taking back what's always been yours, and owning it fully this time.